The use of 230 cutting discs is common in various industries and applications around the world. Following are common fields where it's used: metalworking. In industries involving metalworking such as construction, automotive, and manufacturing, 230mm cutting discs are widely used for cutting metal sheet, pipe, and other metal components. DIY products. DIY windshield lifter are used 230mm cutting discs for home improvement products such as cutting metal or brake machine a large effect. In agricultural field, this cutting disc can be used for cuts such as trimming and metal part in machinery or modifying movement. As for the popular variant of 230mm cutting disc, the European country is used for worldwide around the world, especially in countries with active construction and manufacturing industry. Countries with major construction projects, infrastructure development, and metal processing industry are likely to have a high demand for this cutting disc. Due to the larger diameter of the 230mm cutting disc, it's more suitable for large workpieces than small cutting discs. We can give you more professional advice.